Garlic, the pungent bulb that has been a culinary staple for centuries, is more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. This humble herb boasts a myriad of health benefits that make it a worthy addition to your daily diet. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health, here are 10 compelling reasons why you should make garlic a part of your everyday meals. 1. Immune system boost. Garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants, it helps the body fend off illnesses and infections, making it an excellent ally during cold and flu seasons. The allicin in garlic is a powerful immune stimulant, enhancing the activity of white blood cells and promoting overall immune system efficiency. 2. Heart health. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to improved cardiovascular health. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Garlic's ability to enhance circulation and lower cholesterol makes it a heart-healthy choice that supports long-term cardiovascular well-being. 3. Antibacterial and antiviral power. Garlic possesses natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has been shown to inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria and viruses. Including garlic in your diet can act as a natural defense mechanism, protecting you from common infections and illnesses. 4. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that garlic may play a role in cancer prevention. Its sulfur-containing compounds have been shown to have protective effects against certain types of cancers, particularly in the digestive system. While more research is needed, the preliminary findings highlight the potential anti-cancer properties of this aromatic herb. 5. Anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help alleviate inflammation and reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases. By incorporating garlic into your daily meals, you contribute to a more balanced and inflammation-resistant body. 6. Rich in nutrients. Despite its low-calorie content, garlic is rich in essential nutrients such as manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and selenium. Including garlic in your diet ensures you get a nutritional boost without excess calories, supporting overall health and vitality. 7. Improved digestive health. Garlic promotes a healthy digestive system by supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can aid in digestion and contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, fostering a healthier and more efficient digestive process. 8. Detoxification support. Garlic has been recognized for its detoxifying properties. It helps the body eliminate toxins and heavy metals, supporting overall health and well-being. The sulfur compounds in garlic play a crucial role in the body's detoxification pathways, assisting in the removal of harmful substances. 9. Natural anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in garlic play a role in neutralizing free radicals, which contribute to the aging process. Including garlic in your diet may help slow down the aging of cells and tissues, promoting a more youthful and vibrant appearance. 10. Mood enhancement. Surprisingly, garlic may have positive effects on mood and mental well-being. Some studies suggest that garlic's compounds can influence neurotransmitter levels, potentially contributing to a more positive outlook. While more research is needed in this area, the potential mood-boosting effects add another layer to the comprehensive benefits of garlic. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals goes beyond adding a burst of flavor to your dishes, it's a powerful investment in your health. From bolstering your immune system to supporting heart health and even contributing to a positive mood, the numerous benefits of garlic make it a must-have in your daily diet. So, embrace the aromatic allure of garlic and savor not only its taste but also the wealth of health advantages it brings to your table. Your body will thank you for making garlic a daily culinary companion.